Out of nowhere, the ground rumbled beneath their feet. It was September 1st, 2021, and a 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck Haiti. Lives changed in seconds, and survival became a game of chance. Most people think they should run outside immediately, but it's a deadly mistake. Falling debris can crush you. Instead, find a sturdy piece of furniture and get under it. And here's the kicker: don't cling tightly. Instead, cover your head and neck with your arm. This one simple move can save your life if walls start crumbling around you. Then, when the shaking stops, listen carefully. Gas leaks can lead to explosions. Open windows, but don't light matches. Sounds like common sense, right? Yet, panic makes us forget the basics. This isn't just a drill, it's real-life survival. Share this, seriously.